Hi, in this video we review some basic steps to download a dataset for an assigned state. So you will be provided with this URL, and when you visit this page, you'll see this disclaimer. Simply scroll down the page, click OK, and then you will have access to the rest of the page here. I'm going to, for purposes of this demonstration, I'm going to download a dataset for the District of Columbia. Okay, so you want to only check the option that says ILI net, ILI, influenza-like illness, and we're gonna go with state, and here's where we select the state. So my state is going to be the District of Columbia, so I'm gonna check that. And then in the next option, we will check the years. So we're gonna do 1 decade starting in 2010. So I mark all those, I select all those. I could select more years, but 2010 through 2020, that would suffice. And then we will hit download data. Once the data file is downloaded, if you have a local copy of Microsoft Excel in your device, then you can use that. You could also probably use Google, one of the Google apps to open that data file. But with your ETSU account, you have access to Office 365, and you will need to use the same credentials you use to log into the 2L. So in this URL, webmail.etsu.edu, the login process, usually they send you an additional code to your mobile phone, but you should be familiar. So once you log in, you will have access to open Excel and upload your file. Once you log in, there's a square of dots there in the upper left corner. You can click on that, and then you'll have a display. You can choose OneDrive, but you can choose directly Excel. I'm actually going to go the route of OneDrive. I will select OneDrive, and then I will create a folder. So once I create a folder that I call here, I gave a generic name, the next option is for me to upload the file. So here's where there are 2 steps. We downloaded the file with the data for the selected state. That is in my case, in my local device. And now I'm going to mount or upload. What I'm doing is kind of transporting this file into my folder in OneDrive. So I'll select here files, and this gives me the option in my computer to locate where is the file. One observation is that automatically the file that was downloaded has an extension .zip, is a compressed file. It's much simpler if you unzip this file in your local computer or device, and then you upload the file with the data. So the file containing the data is called ILI, the ilinet.csv, and that's very similar to an Excel file. So let's once this is uploaded here. So there is a missing. This depends on what type of computer or device you're using, and therefore the app you need to unzip the file. So I'm skipping that part. So I'm assuming you will have an app to unzip the file and then get access to the file containing the data, which is this one, and it would look exactly like an Excel file. This is something that has a lot of information, but there is a column here that's called region, and it has the name of the state that I selected. Okay, so we are gonna need the information about year, week, and also these numbers that are listed here and their influenza-like illness total.